So today I'm here to share with you guys the Learning Resources Pretend and Play Calculator Cash Register, okay? Guys, this is such a fun toy. I actually have two of these. I personally have twins. They are 6 years old, and I have had these for a while now. This is such an amazing tool for learning but also play, and when you can combine the two, you already know that is a great combination for your kiddos. Okay, first and foremost, this is for ages 3 and up. This is literally a play cash register, but there's so much you can do with this. So yeah, they can play on it, but they're also going to be able to learn on it too. So my kids are 6 years old, but even at 3, you're now going to be able to teach them starting to learn the numbers and all of those types of things, right? Knowing and recognizing numbers, right? Knowing and recognizing and using their fine motor skills to press the buttons and all of those types of things. So as you guys can see here, we've got our cash register, guys. It makes noises. It's also got some solar power action over here. You'll be able to see the numbers show up here on this big screen. The really great thing is these buttons are really, really big, so great for small fingers. It also has a little area right here for like a little pad, okay? The pad came with it. So you have that there so they can write out their, their lists if they're, grocery shopping or ringing somebody out or telling somebody up in their pretend and play learning session, okay? It makes all kinds of really fun cash register noises. So I'm going to push this back, and it opens by pressing the open button. And you guys hear how it chimes when you open it up. So literally your kids can do all kinds of fun, like grocery store pretend play runs, that type of thing. It is a working calculator up here. So you can literally put 63 plus blah, 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 and you'll see the actual numbers. So it really does work as a calculator. You're going to turn it on first. So turn it on. You guys can see there, right? 63 plus equals, okay? So it is a working calculator, okay? You can turn it off by pressing the off button. As I told you earlier, solar powered as well too. We've got our symbols here: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So as your kids get older, this is going to be really awesome because it can grow with them, if that makes sense. So some of your learning pretend play will actually advance a bit, okay? And this will advance with them, which is really, really, really cool, okay? Also, you will get a pretend credit card, all right, that you can literally use in this little slot right over here, right? So if I put the credit card in the slot, it's going to make a little noise there, just like that, okay? So they can run the credit card and then tally you up and let you know how much everything costs. And now you're able to not only teach them the value of money, counting, addition, and all of those other things, but you've got a really fun tool that can be used multiple ways in addition to that, okay? The other thing I should share with you, and I'm going to open it up so you guys can actually see. Let me push it a little further back, right? So we're going to go ahead and open it up, okay? So something that you're going to notice is that you have some fun pretend coins in here. So we've got pretend quarters, we've got pretend dimes, okay? We've got pretend pennies in here, you guys, okay? With the front and the back looking just like the actual coin. So what a fun way to teach your child or children the value of money, how much it is to equate to $1, how many quarters does it take to make $1, how many pennies does it take to make $1. Those are the things, that's where we're at right now with my kids at 6 years old, is really teaching them the value of money, how much the quantities are to make certain dollar amounts, and this is something that you can do with them as well. And then if they're not at that stage, guess what? You get to pretend play like you're going to the grocery store, you're buying something, you could be their customer, etc. Okay? As you guys can see, we use this, and I'm trying to use one of my hands here so you guys can see the other dollars that are featured within this right here. So we've got some 5s, we've got 1s, we've got 20s. Okay, we've got 10s as well, although they're right here. Actually, there's a 10 right in front of me, and it's, of course, bent because we use this. Okay, my kids play with this, and we're in we're actually learning about currency right now, so hence why you see that. But we've got all the dollar bills over here, okay? So you have 3 slots up here for your bills, and then of course you've got all your coins here. We have 10s, 20s, 1s, and 5s, but only 3 slots. So you are gonna probably have to mix a couple of them up. No problem, no worries, Hakuna Matata. The kids are not going to even worry about that part, okay? But just know that you guys are going to have a lot of fun with this learning / playing tool. And the really cool thing is, like I said, it grows with them. So as they get older, your playtime, your pretend play, your learning time, all of that starts to evolve, and this evolves with them as well. So I hope that this video helps in making your decision.